Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com. Now, a couple of months back, if you can remember, I made up a Tom Caxton lager kit with a Munton's Munich Malt extract, and this is the results. Well, there's my little label on it anyway. This has been sat in my garage now for a couple of months. I bottled it in September, and I've been gradually drinking it as we've been going through. Now I've had this in the chiller, and so it's coming out nice and cold. And you can see it's a really dark, golden, clear lager. I'm just going to stop it before we get into any of the gunk. Oh, there we go, perfect. So it's got a little head on it. In hindsight, I'd probably put a little bit more priming sugar. That's for me to make note of on my notes. So next time I make it, I'll add some extra priming sugar. It's probably because I've used plastic bottles and they've got a little bit of extra give in them. So what have we got? We have got a really lovely, clear, fizzy, quite nice and fizzy. It's holding its headlet, nice, creamy, fluffy, foamy head. It's obviously darker than what a Pilsner would normally be, but that's the Munich Malt, and Munich Malts would normally be used to make something like a Dunkle or a Doppelbock, so I'd expect it to be a lot darker. On the nose, it's rich, lots of maltiness going on, but it's almost like a toasted maltiness rather than a normal lagery maltiness. There's some aromas of some stone fruits, a bit like a prune or something like that going on in there. And I've just got it a little bit on my nose. Oops. Right, let's have a good taste, shall we? Oh, okay. It's very nice. It's got the crispness and that slight dryness you would expect from a Pilsner. But then, that's kind of on the sides of the tongue. And you've got all this lovely richness and depth and almost toffee flavour that comes through from the Munich malts. It's not too bitter. It's got a little bit of sweetness to it. But that is a really nice combination. I know two very, very contrasting styles, a Munich Malt and a Pilsner, but they've come together in this and they actually combine really nicely. They combine really well. So there you go. That is a Tom Caxton Pilsner mixed with a Munton's Munich Malt. And you've got this lovely, gorgeous, rich, dark Pilsner Munich meets Bohemia, and yeah, really nice, rich, smooth, very easy drinking with a nice crisp refreshingness. I think that whether it be now in the winter or on a summer's day, it's going to be nice and refreshing. If you've made one of these, if you want to have a go, then go back and look at our other videos. I'll put a link to it somewhere around somewhere. And then down in the comments below, let me know what yours turned out like, what you did differently, how did you enjoy it, what changes would you make to it? Anyway, let me know and I'll get back to you. But for now, I'm going to enjoy a glass of Pilsner Munich meets Bohemia lager. Anyway, cheers!